everyone, and welcome back to English Talks, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello, everyone.
It's wonderful to be here with you today.
So, Emily, how are you?
I'm great, James. I'm really happy today. I had a good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning makes a big difference.
It really does. And that's our topic. Today we're talking about daily life, our routines.
Daily routines. Everyone has them, right? We all have a day.
Exactly. We all do things every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds simple, but it's actually interesting. Some people think routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think routines can be very different and even fun to talk about.
I agree, and it's perfect for English practice. We use easy words to describe our day.
But first, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, if you're listening and you enjoy this podcast, please hit the like button.
Give us a big thumbs up, please.
And if you're new here, welcome. Subscribe to English Talks.
It helps us a lot. And please share this episode with a friend who's learning English.
Thank you. We really appreciate you.
Okay, James. Daily life. Let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like mornings?
Not at all, Emily. I am not a morning person.
Oh, really? I am the opposite. I love the morning.
For me, mornings are hard, especially the alarm clock.
Yes, the alarm clock.
I hate that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music, soft music.
That's smart. Mine is just loud. I wake up and think, oh no, already?
And do you get up right away?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button. Yes.
5 more minutes.
But is it really 5 minutes?
Sometimes it's 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Oh, James. So when do you actually get out of bed?
When I have to, when it's very late. I jump up like, I'm late.
That is really funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow, why?
I love the quiet. The house is quiet. No cars, no noise. It's just me.
And what do you do first?
The first thing, the most important thing, is coffee.
Yes, coffee. Me too. I run from my bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, James?
Strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
I like mine with a little hot milk. It feels warm and nice.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee and look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, the phone. I check the news and my emails.
See, I don't check my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee, and I just think.
That's very calm. Maybe I should try that.
It's really nice.
Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast, yes. What do you eat?
Breakfast is very fast for me because I'm usually late. I eat toast with butter or maybe a banana. Very easy.
That is quick. I like a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Wow, Emily, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early, remember?
Okay, fair. So after breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower really helps me wake up.
And then comes the hardest part. Choosing clothes.
Oh, yes.
I look in my closet and I have so many things. Shirts, pants, dresses, and I still think, I have nothing to wear.
Yes, I know that feeling.
It's so silly. I have so many clothes. My system is simple, but it still takes time. What's your system, James?
I only wear blue shirts.
No, really?
Really, Blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple. I grab one, and I'm done.
James, that is actually very smart.
It's easy. No thinking. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt, and I finally pick a dress. And then, work. Time to go to work.
How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
Ah, the bus. Is it good?
It's okay, but it's very crowded. So many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me neither. But on the bus, I can listen to music. I put on my headphones and listen to music. Or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast. A good podcast.
Yes, sometimes I listen to English talks.
Good choice. What about you, Emily? Do you drive?
Yes, I drive my car.
Good choice. What about you, Emily? Do you drive?
Yes, I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That's nice.
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh, yes, traffic. Too many cars.
So many cars moving so slowly. Stop, go, stop, go.
Wow, that sounds boring.
It is. I listen to music too. Loud music.
Okay, so now we're at work.
Yes. What is your workday like, James? Is it busy?
Yes, it's always busy. The first thing I do is more coffee.
Of course.
I sit at my desk, turn on my computer, and there are so many emails.
Emails. I know.
I read emails, I write emails, and then I have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Like your meeting about that big report.
Yes, like that. Meeting after meeting. Talking, talking, talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people. I help people. I like my job. But yes, many emails.
What about lunch? That's my favorite part of the workday.
Me too. Food.
Do you bring lunch from home or do you buy lunch?
I usually bring my lunch from home.
Oh, that's very good. Very organized.
Yes, in the morning I make a salad or a sandwich at home.
Wow, Emily. You make eggs and a sandwich.
It's easy and it's cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That's true. But I'm not organized.
So you buy lunch.
Yes, I go to a small cafe near my office and buy a sandwich.
Is it good?
It's very good. And I like the walk. 10 minutes outside, away from the office.
Yes, it's important to walk a little.
And in the afternoon, whew, I get very sleepy.
Oh, yes, around 3 p.m.
Yes, exactly 3 p.m. My eyes are so tired.
Do you drink more coffee sometimes?
Sometimes, or I drink tea. Green tea.
Green tea is good. And I eat a small snack, like an apple.
An apple. Very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too.
Okay, so 5 p.m. Work is finished.
Yes, the best time.
I go home on the bus again. I'm very tired now. I just look out the window.
I go home in my car. The traffic is bad again. Oh no. But I'm happy because I'm going home.
Yes, home is the best. What's the first thing you do when you open the door?
Good question. I put down my keys, I drop my bag, and I say hello to my dog.
Oh, you have a dog?
Yes, his name is Max. He's very happy to see me. He jumps, he barks.
Oh, that's so nice.
It is. What about you, James?
I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
You have a cat?
Yes, her name is Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She's a cat.
Oh, I see.
She looks at me and she says, meow.
And what does that mean?
It means, hello, now give me food.
Cats. They are the boss.
Yes, Bella is the boss of my house.
So after you say hello to the pets, what's next?
I change my clothes. This is very important.
Oh, yes.
I take off my work clothes, my blue shirt, and I put on comfy clothes. Not pajamas, not yet. Just a t-shirt, something soft.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes. It feels so good. And then it's dinner time.
Yes, dinner time. I'm usually hungry by then.
Me too. After work, I'm ready to eat.
Do you cook dinner, Emily?
Yes, I do. I like cooking. It's very relaxing for me.
Really? For me, cooking is stressful.
Stressful? Why?
I'm a bad cook, Emily. A very bad cook.
Oh no.
I burn things. I burn the chicken, I burned the rice.
Oh wow.
One time, I think I burned the water.
James, how do you burn water?
I don't know. I forgot it. And all the water was gone.
Oh my goodness. So, what do you eat for dinner?
I cook simple things, like pasta with tomato sauce.
That's easy.
Or eggs. Eggs again. Eggs are easy.
True.
Or I order food.
Ah, like pizza.
Yes, I love pizza. Pepperoni pizza.
Pizza is a great dinner. I like cooking. I cut vegetables, I listen to music, and I like to make soup or pasta.
That sounds delicious. You are a very good cook.
It's just simple food.
So after dinner, it's maybe 7 p.m.?
Yes. What do you do then?
I clean the kitchen.
Oh, good job, James.
And then I sit on my sofa, my big red sofa.
Ah, the sofa. Yes.
And Bella the cat, she sits with me. Oh, she sits on me. And she sleeps.
That is very sweet. And do you sleep too?
No, not yet. I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I like funny movies, comedies. I need to laugh after a long day.
Yes, laughing is good. What about you? Do you watch TV sometimes? Or do you read a book?
Oh, reading is good. What kind of books do you like?
I like stories. And I have to walk my dog, Max.
Oh, yes, the dog. He needs a walk.
Yes, so we go outside for a short walk.
Is it nice at night?
It is very nice. It's quiet. And I look at the stars.
That sounds lovely. My cat does not like walks.
No, I don't think so.
So after your walk, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed early. I am a morning person, remember?
Oh, yes.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Wow, that is early.
Yes, I like to sleep. I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, and I read in bed for 10 minutes. Then, I'm asleep.
That is wonderful. You get a lot of sleep.
Yes. What about you, the not a morning person?
I go to bed late.
How late?
Maybe 11:30 p.m. or midnight.
James.
I know. I watch one more movie. Or I read something on the internet. Yes, it's a big circle.
Oh, James. Your routine is very funny.
And your routine is very organized, Emily.
Wow, we talked about our whole day.
Yes, from the alarm clock to pajamas.
It was so nice to hear about your day, James.
And it was great to hear about yours. And Max and Bella.
Yes. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Wow, time flies. Thank you everyone for listening to our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you liked talking about daily life.
And please don't forget to subscribe to English Talks.
And give this episode a like if you had fun. Share it with your friends, too.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes.
In the comments below, tell us, are you a morning person like Emily? Or are you an evening person like James?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We'd love to read what you write.
We do.
Okay, see you next time, James.
Bye, Emily. Bye, everyone. Bye.